This video shows how I can link a Dropbox account to the Numici repository. This way I can work on the Dropbox files without making a copy or uploading to Numici. So right now I am in Numici in the documents view, and I can look at the different folders that I have. To start the process of linking the Dropbox to Numici, I go to the top right, this burger sign here. I click on that, pick Dropbox, and the linking process will start. First, it asks for an authorization, which I'm going to accept and continue. And from that point on, the files will essentially be moved over. You get a virtual copy of the files under a folder called Dropbox files in the home directory. I can view those files as if I am in Dropbox itself. So as an example, let's take a look at the reports folder. There are two files that have been brought over, and I can open and view, and I can annotate, etc. But normally I would first add it to a task space before I work on it. So let's do that. Let's go to task space, and I'll show you how you can add a Dropbox file to this task space. So right now I'm in the test task space, and I will click on the plus button to add a file to this task space. I will be dropped into the top home directory, and from there I can browse over to the Dropbox files, and I see the reports folder. Within that, I pick a cloud security primer and I add, and I have two choices. I can copy and add. I would use that if I feel that at any point of time I might be disconnected, meaning I don't have the internet connection and I might not have the Dropbox access, because with this I will only make a virtual copy. And the second is to make to add the file without making a copy. So in this case, I'm just going to, for now, do a continue, meaning I am just going to make a virtual copy and not copy the file over. So this has added the file to the task space, and it'll open the file within the task space, and I can work on this just as if this was a local file within Numici. What that means is I can read it, annotate it, etc. Highlight this portion, annotate, etc. In closing, after the project is over, or if you so decide that you do not want the linkage between Numici and Dropbox, we can go back here and pick Dropbox, and I can revoke the linkage between the two systems. So this will take out the copying between the two systems, and I'm disconnected from that point on. Thank you very much.